Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. 2025 One Piece OP13 one box random number break number 3. Here's everyone's names. And we're going to go 4 or more. 4 and 6 is 10. 10 spins. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9. 4 and 6 is 10. There's 10 times. Mango Bango on the 1 and on the 10. There we go. All right. All right. Yeah, if one of the other two One Piece breaks or anything or any other break in the store sells out by the time this break is over, we'll continue. But if not, this will be the end of the night. I will be back again on Wednesday. While Blue is gone, I'll be live only Mondays and Wednesdays, either 5 or 6 till about 10 o'clock. Good luck, everybody. Get a manga. Everything ships in this as well. Empty.
Hi.
Oh my
I
God.
haven't seen you in forever. Just wanted to say hi. I'm just
How are
gonna
you?
good. I'm just organizing cleaning stuff.
Gotcha.
Do you need anything? You're good.
I'm good. Alrighty. So what we got here. Ruta, Atlas, Almepo, Lilith on the rare going to the 3 spot, and Dragon on the 7 on the rare. Get something here. A little SR action, possibly. There's Douglas. Aquino. Boa. Divine Departure on the rare for the 6th spot, and Goldie Roger on the SR going to the 4th spot. Come on. Come on. Here's our Dawn. Let's see. There's Luffy. Gonna go to the 1 spot. 7 on Scoper. What's the point in living on the 7? And there is our first Dawn. Going to spot number 1 on the randomizer at the end of the break. Here's Luffy going to the actual 1 spot, which is Mango Bango. Here's our second Dawn. Let's see. There's Ace on the 2 spot. Always at your service on the 6. Zoro on the 7. And our second Dawn. We'll go to the 2 spot on the randomizer at the end of the break. And there is our 2 spot. The Ace leader, Mr. Meow. See if we get something nice. There's Bonnie, Almepo, Snake on the 4, Yamato on the 4. This is our SR here. 4 spot AM Hoop. Jinbei, Valheim, Bonnie on the 0 spots, Otama on the 3 spots, and Trafalgar Law on the 1 spots. Both rares. Otama. It's Otama. I think there's an SR back there. Boa on the 1. And there's Uta on our SR. That's going to go to the 3 spot. Panzu. Good to see you, Panzu. Here is our leader. Looks like we have an alt-art leader. Yes, we do. Give us Luffy. We already hit Sabo. We have an alt-art leader. There's Lilith for the 3 spot. Ooh, that's nice. There's Goldie Roger. That's going to go to the 3 spot. Our alt-art leader going to Panzu. Very nice. Goldie Roger on the alt-art leader. We hit Sabo. We've got Roger. There's Lilith again on the 3 spot for the rare. Vivi on the 2 spot for the rare. Make sure I have it on live chat. Have another leader in here. Wapple. Sabo. Topman. And was it? But Ace said you deserved it. Sabo on the 4. Chopper. Otama. That's going to 3 spot. I know you're strong. Going to the 0 spots. Luffy leader. Ethan Baron, 0 spot. And Lilith on the 3 spot. Luffy on the 1. Another leader. Neko, Sabo, Shepherd, and another Strong. Strong going to the 0, and Shepherd going to the 4. Sabo going to the 4 as well. Well, it's been a little bit better of a box than the first one, but we need to see something else. Give us something else here. St. J. Garcia Saturn to 3 spot, Boa to the 1 spot. Tony, Topman going to the 9 spot, and there's Stussy going to the 0 spot on the SR. Another leader. There's Goldie Roger. That's the alt-art over there. Going to the 3 spot. Vivi to the 2 spot. And Ace here said you deserved it. Going to the 9 spots. Ooh, what do we got here? Show us something nice. Give us something more. Hiyori, going to the 4. And there is Sabo on the secret. That is going to the 0 spot. And Mango Bango. Sabo. Very nice. Sabo on the secret. That's a very nice looking card there. Let's see if we can get something else. So we got an Emu on the leader. Shanks going to the 5 spot. Vista going to the 6 spot. Let's see. Buggy 2. Marcus Mars to the 1. Might have another SR. Terry. Garp on the 6. And Silvers on the 6 for the SR. There's still life. There's still a few packs. We still have life. Four chances at life. Another SR looks like. St. Ethan Barron and Edward Newgate on the SR. To 2 spot. Whitebeard Pirates. Let's see. Oh, okay. I think we have something. We have something. Sanji on the 7. And there is Uta on the SR Altart. Very nice. Go to the 3 spot. It's a nice little card. Nice little hollow pattern on it. Going to Panzu. Altar SR. There we go. There was life. There was a little bit of life. I'm going Don Stamp, Monkey D. Garp to 7. And last pack magic, it was something here. I won't peek. It kind of peeked. Sanji to 7. And the 5 Elders on the SR. A little bit better of a box. Minus the gold Dawn, but still pretty solid. Definitely better than the first box. Anything that we rip will be better than the first box. There we go. Quick little recap. Elders to the 2. Uta to the 3. Newgate to the 2. Silvers to the 8. Emu to the 9. Rogers to the 3. Stussy to the 0. Sabo to the 4. Luffy to the 1. Sabo 4. Uta again to the 3. Bai to the 0, Yamato to the 4, Ace to the 2, Luffy to the 1, Roger to the 4. There's the Goldie Roger Altart leader going to the 3 spot. And Sabo on the secret going to the 0 spots. Yep, the 0 spot. And then we'll do the randomizer for the 2 Dons, the 2 base Dons. Yeah, and this will be the end of the night for us. The other OP13 still has 8 left, unless it magically fills by the time I'm done with this. All right, that's everyone's name for the Dons. 4 or more. 4 and 4 is 8. 8 times. And there is 8 AM Hoop and Panzu, each getting a Don card here. Hey guys, that was 2025 OP13 carrying on as well. Random number break number 3. I'll put 1 box on that. 1 box. Random number 3. Hey guys, that was break.